Financial pressure doesn't just affect your bank account. It quietly changes the way your mind works, and most people don't even realise it's happening. When money feels unstable, something subtle starts to happen. Your world slowly begins to shrink, and I don't mean physically, but mentally. The way you think about the future changes. You might notice yourself planning shorter distances ahead. Instead of thinking about the year ahead, you'll start thinking about the month, then the week, and sometimes even just the next few days. Decisions that once felt simple suddenly feel heavier. Even small things, just buying something, taking a risk, making a plan, spending just feels riskier. I've noticed my own thinking do this. My mind quietly starts narrowing what feels possible. Opportunities sometimes feel like problems, and not because you've changed as a person, but because your brain has shifted into protection mode. When financial pressure appears, the mind naturally focuses on stability. It wants to protect what you have and keep those things steady. It wants to avoid anything that might make the situation worse. And that's not weak, it's just survival. Financial pressure doesn't just reduce what you can spend, it reduces how far ahead your mind feels safe enough to plan. The brain is trying to keep life safe while things feeling uncertain. But when that protection mode stays switched on for too long, something else happens. Your thinking becomes smaller than it used to be. You stop imagining certain possibilities. You stop planning as far ahead. Not because the future's disappeared, but because the pressure made it harder to see. Something that helps me personally is keeping one small part of my life, future, focused. Not something huge, just something small that reminds me the future still exists, beyond this pressure. It might be learning something or planning something a little further ahead, or allowing yourself to imagine where rebuilding might lead, even if you're not there yet. Because rebuilding financially takes time, but while you're protecting the present, try not to let the future disappear completely. The whole reason we rebuild our lives is because we believe something better can still be built, even if it takes longer than we expected. If you're rebuilding right now, mentally, financially, or personally, you're not the only one doing it. So if these conversations help you think a little more clearly, feel free to stick around. That's what this channel is about, just figuring things out step by step.